Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTecher. In this I'm going to talk about the Android 12 Realme UI 3.0 update, size and features, and how much time it actually takes to install in the Realme GT Master Edition. Yes friends, finally the Realme GT Master Edition did get the early access invitations, and couple of minutes ago, I think maybe 20 minutes back, I did apply for the early access beta version. As you can clearly see friends, I did fill the application form, and after that I did get the message saying application was successful. And right now within 20 minutes of time my phone did receive the update. As you can see, you are seeing the notification. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate friends in this Realme GT Master Edition. And one more quick note, please wait for my complete review. Do not download and install it because there will be some kind of bugs, so which we did face in the previous phones, right, in the Realme X1 Max. If you remember, there are a couple of issues with the YouTube and battery rating problems. Please wait for 2 days. So I'll try to gather all the comments and feedbacks for the real users who are actually having this phone, and then I'll try to make the review as well. Just give me 2 days. And before starting the video, I'm wishing you all the happy new year friends. Wish you a happy new year, and I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video. And one more quick note, if you did not receive early access update, don't worry, because this will be rolling out in batch wise. So Realme will send the invitations in the batch wise. When the batch is set to 100 users, after filling the 100 users, the Realme will stop. So you won't see any kind of early access option in the trial version. You won't be able to see. So if the Realme sets 1000 devices, as soon as the 1000 devices get filled in the early access, then the next users, they won't see any kind of options. So you need to wait for the second trial version when they will be releasing. So just follow my channel regularly. I'll try to keep you posted what's going on in this device as well. So I was lucky enough to get in the first batch itself in the Realme GT Master Edition. So the update size of close to 4.78 GB. So let me click download meanwhile. Right now it's downloading, as you can clearly see friends, and exactly on the 31st of December the update did receive in my device. That's really fantastic because the Realme did promise that Realme GT Master Edition will be getting in the December month. So I thought the Realme forgot about this phone and maybe I need to wait for next 1 or 2 weeks, I guess. But surprisingly the Realme did send me this early access update. That's really very good from them. This is a kind of really good gift from the Realme to the Realme GT Master Edition users. I can definitely say that. Android 12 and Realme. So everything gonna be same friends. There's nothing much new update log. So all this update log which we did see in the previous phones, in other Realme phones as well before. So which you should definitely understand. And let's see what's happening with the download. So it's taking a little bit kind of more time than usual. So it's not starting to download at all. It's showing in the kbps. So maybe there must be some kind of server issues or not, but overall friends, we'll be able to see all this kind of new design. So there will be new type of animation and new type of interface, and efficiency also got increased. Performance also they did mention it got slightly on increase. And games, there's new type of game space which will be having the real-time FPS meter, and camera interface also got changed. Accessibility and system brightness algorithm to adapt screen brightness. So pretty much friends, it's kind of pretty similar to the previous Realme features which we have seen. And once after the download has been finished, then I'll try to start the stopwatch, how much time it actually takes to install. Just give me 1 or 2 days to talk about complete review. I cannot talk immediately after using this device for 1 day. I just want minimum 1 to 2 days. So 1 to 2 days at least. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow my channel regularly. I'll be back again after installing and reviewing completely. Stay tuned for more videos friends. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.